So, good morning, sir. Today, our group want to present. This is our presentation of the final project. First, let us log in as an admin. After logging in, we will create by the instructor dashboard. First, let's say the semester. Here, we can uh, manage the semester here, and we can also add the future semester. So, if we have any plan for the future, let's let's say we will add a mock semester 2026 and summer like this, summer 2026, summer, let's say summer semester. So because it's the future, so let's just gray here, and we can add course. Can also add course to that semester. The discussion is an optional option, so let us leave it blank for now. We can also choose the number of sessions. Let us just create a course. Here for the course, it's a new course, and we have two options. One for edit, and the other is to delete the course completely from the semester. Right now, the semester is uh, semester 2, years 2023-2024, and we're gonna have also create some course here. For example, for the programming, we can manage the student group, or like this one. We can add new member here by searching a student. We add that, as you can see, and we can also add a new group Z. Can manage student, add another one here like this, and we can also delete them from the group. Next is for the material that we will upload to the course. When we press the button here, it will navigate us to the programming material, and the students can download it. As a teacher on admin, you can upload the material here, and you can also assign it to some group, or we can leave it empty so that it can reach to all the students. This is a mock content. We can upload the file with max 800 megabytes. Let's choose like this book. Upload the material. Let's wait for a few seconds because it's quite a lot, nearly 40 megabytes. As you can see, we have finished upload the material, and right now the it will the student will get notified and they can download the material. And for the assignment, let's say we will create a new mock assignment, and we will start right here, and the due date, let's set it, yeah, 1 week, 1 week midnight. We want allow late submission, and we will leave it empty so that it can reach the other students. We can upload the assignment here, and we will allow it the DBF file, the PDF file, the docx, and zip. uh, Mark file upload size, let's set it 100 megabytes. We will create this one is an active one. I can see this one is closed because it already built. Here you can see the student or the group that get assigned this task, but and you can see who have submitted, which one had grade, which submit late, who haven't submit yet. You can see the detail by click this button. Also, you can also download the CSV file here. As an instructor, you can come to the quiz, and you can manage the past quiz, and also you can also create a new quiz for the past quiz. You can come here to this and choose to view the result. Let's us create a new quiz. Let's say it's due in 1 day. The duration is 60 minutes with a max attempt 1. In the question bank, we will have 1 medium question and 2 hard questions. In this subject, we will leave this one empty so that it can reach all the students. And let's create a quiz for a few quick seconds. Here is the new quiz, and right now it's open. The student can come here. The student will get notified and come here doing the quiz. Next is the announcement. Right here you can view the detail of the past announcement, and the student can come here and write a comment. Let us create a new announcement to test the function. Test. We can attach a file. Let's choose and for the target audience, let's because this is announcement, so let's choose one in group 5. So all the students in group 5 will get notified. Later, my friend will demonstrate the student function. But right now, as an instructor, you can edit the announcement and update the announcement. Update announcement. You can see here. Also, we also have a forum where an instructor can create a new topic and the student can come here and start a conversation discussion here. And as an instructor, you can also um, have a private chat here. You can message them, and you can create a new message to some new student. And a new student will can come and chat. Also, the student can start the conversation between the student and instructor too, not just from the instructor. Here is the questions bank of each subject that we have created. Let's add a new question to this subject, like 2 plus 2. Set a difficulty to easy. 16. And we will choose the correct answer here and add to the question bank. It will the table will get updated with one easy question, one medium question, and two hard questions. And when we create a new quiz to this subject, a new question will appear here, get update here. Next, I will leave the student demonstrate to Mr. Dũng. Thank you for your listening.
Student login. So over here, this is the student. As you can see, this is the student app management, and here we will have the quick action is message is to for example contact with administration, and this is the previous I testing with the message with the administration over here, and the between instructor and student they can send the for example can send files and message over here, and for example I click on send, it will send over here. Also we can download the image too over here, and also we will have the notification, mostly is about new announcement, and for the assignment has been great, and the almost overdue quiz assignment. So over here we have the assignment view from the student and the material and the quiz. So the course will be shown as the current one. As you can see, the current one is CS programming here. So I think this is the assignment that fact have created previously. So for example, I will submit an file here and submit attempt. So over here, so you can see this we have only one max attempt. So it's after we submit, it will won't let us submit anymore. And this is the file we have submit and waiting for the instructor to grade our score. And it's also marked as already submitted. For the material, we have we can download the material, for example, as you can see here, from the instructor. And for the quiz, we can do here the from previous fact has created this. And also, as same as assessment, we also have the number of attempts, and if we out of that number, it won't let us attempt anymore. So for example, I will try to do the quiz here. As you can see over here, this is a test, so I don't remember and create anything the correct answer yet. So we will have the number here, the timer, the question we have answers, and yeah, and this is the answer we have. If we at the current or answer, it will mark as green, and unanswer is gray. So for example, I answer this is A, for example, and next, as you can see over here, is already updated as green. And we are in the second answer. What's 9 plus 10 is 19, for example, and the answer over here is updated. Also in the question navigator, we can also move to the previous one also, and we can change answer to, for example, and and after we answer all the answer, we can see it show the submit over here, and we submit it, submits. And over here, so because the quiz is from the question bank and the answer is already set, so if we answer wrong, it will automatically calculate the score based on the answer we have correct, based on the answer has been set. And backing, so over here we also have the one attempt, only one attempted quiz, and it shows the complete dates, hour, and the time we spent to do this quiz, and the percentage based on the number of questions. So over here, for example, the course, right? So how can we communicate in the forum? So over here it's quite small, it's for discuss over here, and you can see we can search for forums, and over here we have the already forum discussed before, and also we can download the file, and can reply with text So over here is where students can chat to each other. And for example, I will create new one. Is hello guys with image and post the reply, and it will show it over here. See the dates, and yeah, and we will go back to the admin. Oh, so you see in the notification it updates the quiz have been graded because we have submitted, and for the assignment submit, and if we click on it, it will show as we have read it. So, and for example, if there is too many notification and you want to delete, you just swipe to the left and it will automatically delete it, or you can just click on this and delete all the notification. Okay, so no more showing, and we will back to the admin to check if the reply in the forum has updates. For example, we go to course and programming and forum. This is the forum that we're talking about. Over here is updates, and what else? Well, so we haven't see the announcement, right? Announcements that show to the student. So next quick test 1 to 10 section. Attach file for some other files over here, and we publish to the all student. So yeah, over here we can see, so there is some something I need to tell you that for example, this is for all students, and this is only a group, a specific group, and we will back to Lê Cường, right, to check if we see others. See over here, it show the announcement that is over here, you see, and yeah, this is for all students, and only some of the announcement appear because it's sent to a specific group. And yeah, I think that is everything that convert in the student that in our group had implement function through student, and I remember we have been grade the assignment for student yet, so I will demonstrate it. For example, this is the assignment, right? And previous I remember Lê Cường has submitted over here, as you can see, and we also have the sort that submitted, not submitted, grades or late, right? So this is the name by group, stated or score or something, so we choose all, and by name over here, as you can see, is sorting by name, status attempts, for example, or like that. So okay, over here, if you want to see the detail, you can grade by clicking on seeing detail from Lê Cường, right over here. And attempt one for we have done previous, and we can download the file. Yeah. And we can oh shit, it's jump into the new one. So I will go back again over here, see, and I will create the submission over here. So it will based on the 100, right? So if for example I will mark 50% and not bad, and save grade. Okay, so over here if we update the status and the score, and we can sort by score, time or something like that, ascending, descending, name. Okay, so great. So here updates, and over here you can see the chart from the total student, and submitted or not submitted, grade, late, several search for Cường here. Yeah, so view detail, score. We can also update grade too if you want to change grade. Yeah, it's not that good, so it's 40. Save it, and it will automatically update again, and we will go back to Lê Cường student 123 again. Over here we do have the notification, the mark grade and update grade here, and we back to the assignment, right? And this one, the process 2 will obtain one time, and the grade we score over here. The feedback is not bad, and yeah, and that is, I think that is covered all of our function. And thank you for your listening, and yeah.